Hello, my friends on the internet. This is a 359 of making an app to end doom scrolling. Lately, I have not been working directly on coding the app, and I've been working on marketing, so I'm going to share with you how that's been going. Honestly, it's been going really good because in the last month, we have seen this app right here reach new heights, more heights than ever before, and yeah, I haven't been coding on it, which is really interesting. And I've shared that yesterday, shared that the day before. Not too much happens on these day to days for the app because I'm just marketing. And then I'm spending the other time working on another SaaS that I'm just building, so I can help also fund this and make this even better. And maybe even eventually make it more free than it is now. Because it is free, but obviously it still has premium for 30% of all the interests that you can explore. And if we really want to end doom scrolling eventually, I think the best way to do that would be to have a system that is free to use, free to access. But of course, right now I live in my mom's basement. I want to move out and I want to live a life, so I'm going to charge some money for the service, the premium version of the service. Anyways, though, you probably came to this video not to learn about why I'm developing stuff, what I'm doing in my business. You probably came here because you can't stop scrolling on your phone. And I want to make a difference today for your existence of scrolling. And I want to tell you a few simple things that have helped me. First, I think the best way to stop scrolling on your phone, if you haven't heard this before, is to find something better to do. Better to do is the whole point of this app. The whole point of Curiosity Quench, the app I'm making, is to help people explore a list of things, find something they're curious about, and because they're curious about it, the chances of them doing it go up dramatically. The chances of them enjoying their time off their scrolly poly go up dramatically. And if they have a plan to do it, the chances go up again, one more dramatic step. So, if you have a plan, if you have an interest, and if you have curated content for this thing, the idea is that you will do that thing and enjoy it. If you don't, you can try something else. Now, for you, what does that mean? Well, if you don't know what you enjoy, you have to find that. Maybe you don't get it the first try, but using your curiosity is probably the best way around this. And opening up your curiosity is how you get rid of boredom, and it's how you get rid of that chronic addiction to your phone and the validation you get from opening it and going on social media specifically. That's how you can replace that. This is not a foolproof way of getting rid of your social media use, but it can help a lot to bring your life into a direction that you want, that you are proud of, and that you would enjoy in the long term as well. And what does that mean? That means you're spending time doing things you like and actually enjoy. And when you look back, you're not really going to regret it all because you were on your phone scrolling, but because you're actually doing things that brought you a sense of self, a sense of your identity growing, your self learning, and you doing things that actually make you feel like you're having fun. Yeah, I guess that's what I'm trying to say. So that is what I think the best way out of this is. Yes, you can limit and block apps, but ultimately there is, with every solution, a problem. And the problem with blocking apps is that if you don't have these things that set up limitations for you and you go without them, or you need to do something specifically and you have to take them down, well, no longer do you have that bulletproof shield. You've basically just dropped it completely. The idea I'm trying to get at here is that if you actively are making conscious effort to do better things with your time, whatever that means to you, and scrolling on your phone, you will be someone and become someone who can control the urge, the will, the power inside of you to not go on your phone all the time, to make conscious decisions to try something else and do something else with that time. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to magically poof and you never go on your phone again. You never check the things when you feel tempted. But this is the idea that if you are in control and have conscious effort every time, over time, this compounds and you become more and more aware and better at controlling that urge, that second nature to pick up your phone and start scrolling when you're bored. That's what I'm trying to do. Now, this video is over. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. I love you guys. Please take care. I haven't changed the app in about a month. I feel kind of weird about that because there's a lot I could be doing, but there's just so much other things also to do. Like there's just so much things to do and so little time it seems. So um, make your time count. Have a good day. And I recently realized that none of us make it out of this alive, so we better get going. Okay. Take care, my friend. You can go try the app. It's linked down below. If you cannot afford it, just email me. May take some time to get back to because I don't check my email that often, but just let me know and I can give you premium for free if you cannot afford it. Okay. Goodbye. Take care, and I will see you when I see you.